This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at haynes.com.
The air filter is located inside a housing at the side of the engine compartment. To remove the air filter, disconnect the wiring from the mass airflow sensor in order to get enough clearance to raise the lid. Release the clamps retaining the two halves of the air filter housing. Then lift the cover up and remove the air filter element. Caution: never drive the vehicle with the air filter removed. Excessive engine wear could result in backfiring, could even cause a fire under the hood. Install the air filter element and make sure it is seated correctly. Bring the housing cover down, making sure the hinge tabs on the cover engage properly with the lower part of the housing. Snap back the clamps retaining the filter housing cover. Reconnect the mass airflow sensor and its harness retaining clip.